I grew up in Nanaimo, so this dessert has always been a part of my life. It's a no-bake, 3-layered treat with chocolatey base, a creamy custard filling, and a smooth chocolate topping. These are Nanaimo bars. This dessert is easy to make with simple ingredients. Let's get started. We start with the base. Over a double boiler, add half a cup unsalted butter, quarter cup white sugar, five tablespoons cocoa powder. This gives us a rich, chocolatey foundation. One large egg to thicken the mixture, creating that fudgy texture. If your mixture starts to separate, remove it from the heat and use a whisk to get it back together. Now we mix in 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs for structure, 1 cup shredded coconut for a little chew, and half a cup pecans for a crunch. You can also use almonds or walnuts. Stir the mixture until everything is fully incorporated. Now, in a parchment-lined 8x8 pan, press the mixture into the bottom and chill in the fridge. If you have an egg flipper, you can use this to get a more even base. Next, we are moving on to making the middle custard layer. Into a bowl, add half a cup unsalted butter and use an electric mixer to whisk it until fluffy. Next, add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, continue whisking together. Add 2 tablespoons custard powder. Optionally, you can add in 1 tablespoon clear vanilla extract for more flavor. Two cups of icing sugar. Be careful not to get this everywhere by starting your mixer on full power. It took me about 3 minutes of whisking to get a fluffy texture, so just be patient with it. Grab the base layer out of the fridge and scoop the custard mixture on top. Use your spatula to spread it out. If you have an offset spatula, this will help get an even layer. Place the pan back into the fridge and let it set for about 1 hour. Once again, add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate into a bowl over a double boiler. Cook until everything is melted and combined. Set the chocolate aside and cool for 1 minute. Remove the pan from the fridge and spread the chocolate over the custard, making sure to get into every corner. As you can see, I'm not very good at spreading out the chocolate, even with an offset spatula. Place in the fridge for 1 hour to firm up. Now, it's time to cut these up. First, lift up the parchment to remove the bar from the pan. Today, I'll be cutting these into 9 pieces. However, I would suggest cutting them into 18 pieces. Also, if you want to avoid the chocolate from cracking, you can let it set for a few minutes and score it with a knife before placing it into the fridge to cool down. And there you have it, the perfect Nanaimo bar. Rich, creamy, and downright delicious. Nothing can beat having one of these with a nice double-double. If you would like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds and helps out the channel immensely. And as always, thanks for watching.